DesignerJen. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. Just want to give you guys a heads up. I did not go to Target today because I didn't get my coupons in the mail today, and I don't know when I'll be getting them. But there was a couple deals that I wanted to do at Target, and I didn't have the correct coupons. I needed Neutrogena and Aveeno, and I didn't get those, so I am waiting on my coupons. So there may or may not be a Target haul this week. It all depends, but so far they haven't shipped yet, so I don't know when I will be getting them. But one thing I want to tell you guys straight off the bat, if you guys didn't catch it in my other video, Walmart Pay. All you guys have to do is, I didn't bring my phone up, all you guys have to do is get up the app, and then where it has Walmart Pay, you know, you do your finger recognition or you put your password in there. All you guys do is just scan that little barcode. Now, you don't have to have any money in your Walmart Pay account. You just scan the barcode, do that first, or even while the cashier's still scanning it. Have it where it says connected, and then you guys can pay however you guys want to pay. You pay cash, credit card, debit card, whatever. So then after you guys are done paying for everything, you guys, my son is gonna get yelled at when I get done with this because he's being a little butt. But what you guys want to do is right when you leave the store, or right when you're done checking out, you're gonna go back to the app, and it's gonna ask you if you want to submit to Walmart or Savings Catcher, so as you guys can do that. So that's how Savings Catchers works. Benjamin, give that to me. So all you guys got to do is just scan the barcode. You don't have to have any money on it on the app, and then you guys just scan it, and here's this for you. You just scan it, no money on the app, and you guys are good to go. So no longer have to have money on your app. I found a little way to it. Some of you guys even mentioned it. So I've done it 3 times already. So, and then in a day or so, I'll get an email saying that they got my Walmart Pay or Savings Catcher receipt. So it'll just take a couple days for them to pursue it. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Scan the app, no money on the app, and you're good to go. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But I'm here to bring you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, there wasn't a lot of rebates that I really want to do. A lot of rebates are like 25 cents here, 40 cents there, and I'm just like, it's not worth it. I was barely wanting to even go to store today, but Ben, take these upstairs right now and go upstairs, please. But I didn't want to go, but I really wanted to finish that bonus. I needed, I think, like 25 rebates to hit this bonus. So I got, I don't even know what, turkey trot bonus. So I got that. I just needed 7 more rebates to get that. And I needed 7 more rebates to finish level 3. So I got that. So I had to do it because I could not pass up $7 of free money. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did read the baby coupons. Those Johnson coupons are still available, so print them off. But you guys can use up to 4 in one transaction. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So I did it because I thought it was limit 1, but apparently not. And I'm going to be out of breath because I'm talking like crazy. You guys know what? I got 3 days until I find out what I'm having. 3 days! I know, I'm so excited. But this was $2.86. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. You guys would just pay 86 cents for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just a 14-cent moneymaker. So love it when I can get free baby powder. So I'm really getting the baby powder, you know, because I have a baby coming in 6 months. So that's perfect. Plus I have a friend who's having a baby in, what, 3 months? Yeah, 3 months. So I'm pretty excited to give her a little gift basket of stuff. I ended up getting the Johnson oil. I've never really used Johnson oil with Ben. But I'm like, you know what? I'll try it. So this is a lavender. I like the lavender smell, especially like at night. I used to rub the lotion on Ben just because I like the smell, and he smelled nice and clean. But this was $3.92. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 92 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Now, I've been seeing a lot of freebies on the coupons.com app. I haven't done a coupons.com app for a while because there just hasn't been any freebies. But I've seen people have cranberry sauce. I didn't have that on my app. And then I saw people had some other things, but I didn't have it. I had free gravy and free green beans. So it was gravy up to $1 and green beans up to $1. So it said any brand. So you know what? I'm going to get the brand name because that's the way I go. So I ended up getting the Campbell's turkey gravy, and it did say on any gravy. So I thought that'd be good to use, and I really am craving turkey lately. So this was 98 cents. You guys would pay 98 cents for this, but then you guys will get 98 cents back on coupons.com. You just submit it from the app. Same thing with the beans. Green beans is what I got. 98 cents. You guys would pay 98 cents for this, but then you guys will get 98 cents back. So I'll end up getting $1.96 back from coupons.com. And sometimes it does take like a week or so. It just depends on it. And I have a feeling a lot of people are getting those freebies. So it might take a little bit. Ended up getting the Poise pads. Now make sure you guys scan these at the store, because I did grab one count and that didn't match, but then I grabbed a different count and that one matched, even though it's pretty much the same thing. So these were $4.84. There's a $2 off coupon that you guys can use on the scottsbrand.com. You guys would pay $2.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 16-cent moneymaker. So I got this absolutely free. Now these are regular pads. These are like bladder control pads, which I actually heard they work pretty well after you have a kid. So that's something if you guys are interested in doing. Then I also got this Johnson baby lotion. This is the Sweet Apple Wash, which I'm really excited to use. You know what, I could even use this on Ben. Like, I love baby products. But this was $5.92. I used a $2 off coupon. My cat's looking at me. So you guys would pay $3.92 for this. But then you guys will get $2 back in, I forgot what I was going to say. $2 back on Ibotta, making this just $1.92. So I thought for $1.92 for this big jug, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm really stocking up on baby products. I feel like I'm getting more baby products than ever lately. So got that going on. So then after I was walking around the store and I'm like, okay, I need 3 more rebates. 3 more rebates to get to the bonus. And I'm like all over the place. I'm like, what the heck can I get? I didn't have any coupons for anything else. And I was looking for certain items like those gift sets. I couldn't find anything for what I've seen people post. So I'm like, okay, what can I get? So then I'm like, I'll just get Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Now the coupons expired, I think, last Saturday. So I didn't have any coupons, but I'm like, whatever. I'm still going to try this. I've been wanting to use this shampoo and conditioner anyways. I never even smelled this, but it's been a while since I used Aussie. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try it. So each of these were $2.97. You guys would pay $2.97 each. But then you guys can submit $1 for the shampoo and $1 for the conditioner. So you guys would get each of these for $1.97. Again, not the greatest, but I knew I was getting bonuses, so that's why I did that deal. Got the Suave Men. Now these were $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98. I was trying to find Peelies because sometimes my Walmart has Peelies, but they didn't have anything. So I paid $1.98 for this. But then you guys would get 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.48. So not the greatest deal, but like I said, I really wanted to hit my bonuses, and I was desperate. I was in that store walking in circles like 3 times, and employees were like all over the place, which it doesn't bother me. But I felt like they were like thinking I'm an idiot because I'm like, it was just down this aisle and then I left and then came back. But got that going on. So So my total came to $19.42 for everything. I ended up getting 9 items, which was a pretty okay deal. I'm really hoping Ibotta steps it up a little bit in December. I feel like this month has not been the greatest. Like, I'm still trying to find deals, but a lot of it are repeat deals. So I'm trying to show you guys new deals. But I ended up getting $9.60 back with Ibotta. Now, I did get 10 cents for any receipt, so that's where the 60 cents comes from. So I got that. I ended up hitting that turkey trot bonus, so I got $5 bonus for that. That was awesome, and that does end, I think, on the 23rd. So technically, you guys have until the 22nd to use that, and then while you're sleeping, it ends. It always ends while we're sleeping. It's kind of weird. And then I finished level 3, so I got a $2 bonus for level 3. And then I will be getting a $1.96 back with coupons.com. So I am getting a lot of cash back. So if you guys think about it, $19.42, and then I had all the rebates and stuff, I ended up paying 86 cents for all that stuff. 86 cents. And I always roll my gift cards. I never pay my own money out of pocket. I always roll my gift cards. So there is that. But yeah, if you guys are interested in joining, now I got the hiccups. Sorry. But if you guys are interested in joining my Ibotta team, I do have a Facebook friend request that you guys can request me. A lot of people ask me to friend request, but it's hard for me to send the link, or hard for me to friend request you on a different link because you guys message me on my DesignerJen name. So friend request me. I do check out your guys' profiles. If you seem like a pervert, I will delete you and block you. I've had porn stars friend request me. I block you. I've had very lonely men. Like, I know there's men that do that, and if I ever delete you, like you guys friend request me and I delete you, please message me and tell me you guys watch my videos, or make sure you comment on my videos so I know you guys do that, because I have guys that follow me. Nothing wrong with that, but I've had a lot of lonely older men friend request me, and it's just creepy. So I'm about to like make my profile invisible, and it's only available with you guys sending me messages. So I'm about to do that because there's some real winners. Real winners. But you guys can friend request me, and then you guys can be on my Ibotta team. Just make sure your Facebook account is linked to your Ibotta account. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. But 86 cents for 9 items, that means I only paid like 9 cents a piece for everything. So yes, 9 cents for shampoo and conditioner. Oh yeah. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Again, I'm not doing a Target haul, but I am pretty excited for this week. I have lots of exciting news with Black Friday. I have tons of coupons that I got to use at these stores, and we get to find out the gender of the baby. So I am pretty excited about that. Hope you guys all enjoy your day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.